Today we are going to learn how to create a child theme in your WordPress site. A child theme is a WordPress theme that inherits the functionality, features, and style of the parent theme. You can then customize the child theme without making any changes to the parent theme. First, go to your site folder. Then navigate to WP Content, then Themes. Once you open the Themes folder, you will see a list of WordPress default themes. In our case, we will make a child theme based on 2021 theme. To do that, create a new folder, name it whatever you want. I will name mine 2021 child theme. After that, we need to add files in our child theme folder. Namely, style.css and functions.php file. Let's start creating the style.css file. Open a notepad or any code editor. Then add these details: theme name, theme URI, description, author, author URI, template, version, and text domain. Feel free to edit the author and theme name, but leave the other details the same way. Save it, and name it style.css. Next, is the functions.php file. I have already prepared the code needed for our functions.php file. The function of this code is to enable and create the child theme. But take note that other themes have a different code. This functions.php code is good for the 2021 WordPress theme. But keep in mind that other themes may differ. So, carefully read the documentation of each theme you want to use. Save the file and name it functions.php. Head back to your dashboard. Go to Appearance, then Themes. We can now see the child theme that we created. And it also have the details that we added in our style.css. And that's how you create a child theme in your WordPress site. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.